Doe, a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 पहले प्यार की पहली चिट्ठी पहले प्यार की पहली चिट्ठी साजन को दे आ कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 चल 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 मेरे साथी ओ मेरे हाथी चल ले चल खटारा खींच के चले आ धक्का मार बंद है मोटर कार चले आ धक्का मार चल 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 मेरे साथी ओ मेरे हाथी चल ले चल खटारा खींच के चले आ धक्का मार बंद है मोटर कार दादाजी की मुझ जैसे बिलाड़ी की पूंछ बड़ी लंबी है मेरे दादाजी की मुझ दादाजी की मुझ जैसे बिलाड़ी की पूंछ बड़ी लंबी है मेरे दादाजी की मुझ Can you make dog noise? Can you say wow, wow, wow? Can you make sound of donkey? Haunchy, haunchy, haunchy. Can you purr like a cat? Meow, 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 meow. Can you run like a deer? Can you jump like a kangaroo? Can you think of having teeth that you show and the teeth that you used to chew like an elephant? Well. And can you ever imitate penguin? Can you ever become a dolphin fish? Can you become a shark? Well, we can't. We can't imitate any of them truly. So we better have them because we can't duplicate them in any which way. And the pleasure and the love that we get from all the animal kingdom, today is the day to celebrate it all because today is October 4th, World Animal Day. World Animal Day came in picture from the year 1925 and a guy called Mr. Zimmerman, a German guy who was the first guy to get 5,000 people to come at a place right there in Berlin, a palace where he got 5,000 people to join the group of animal lovers, the people who would always be animal activists and who will always side animals and will protect animals and look after animal welfare. So started this particular celebration, annual celebration, which was first done on March 24, 1925. After that, he announced in 1929 in a world conference that this would be the day when we'll all celebrate, and that day would be October 4th, because October 4th was one Saint Francis, the patron saint for animals and ecology, who decided to do so many things for animal kingdom and birds. He used to in fact speak to animals in their language. That's what he was known for, and also to birds in their language. So that particular Saint Francis, salutations to him, because he's the one whose feast day was 4th October, and that's how they decided to have that as the World Animal Day. So on that World Animal Day, there are many churches, Catholic as well as Anglican, who hold ceremonies to bless animals. So that is the whole story. initially it was only in Austria and Switzerland and Germany and Czechoslovakia, only the European countries. But later, it's now become universal. Every country celebrates Animal Day. Everybody is in favor of these animals who bring so much of life to the life that we have. And since we are the master of the animal kingdom, human beings, we are supposed to look after their interest and guard all the animals, be it birds or mice or goats or chickens or fish or the cutest of penguins or the sweetest of dolphins and the hugest of sharks. So with that beautiful objective in our hearts and mind, let's try to retain forest, because forest is where animals stay normally. So let's always object to deforestation. There should no deforestation, and at the same time we should try to protect the interest of all the animals and prevent as far as we can killing of animals, because human beings kill animals and eat them too, right? So let's not get into killing animals and eating. Let's start becoming vegetarians, and let's try to respect the animals by not only upping their voices but loving them just as we would love human beings. So with that prayer on behalf of all the animals, I would like to just say, चल 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 मेरे साथी ओ मेरे हाथी, चल ले चल खटारा खींच के चले आ धक्का मार. May we always protect the interest of all the animals and prevent all the cruelty. Even the cosmetics that we create, let them be without any testing on animals. If at all there is testing to be done, be it on human beings, not animals. Do not misuse the animals who can't speak. Well, they are just as good as we are. They are panchendriya, so many of them, like the cow and yeah, but then we consider them to be lower than us. Only thing they don't have is the man. We have पांच इंद्रिय और एक मन. They don't have that man. So but they also are, as per the religion, samyak darshi. They also can have samyak darshan. So let's hope and pray for vegetarianism, and let's hope and pray for beautification of forests, preserving them. The forest preserves all of the world should be preserved with ultimate care, and let's hail our animal brothers and sisters, because that's what Saint Francis used to call them. My brothers, my sisters. That's the way he used to address the animals. Let's follow the footsteps of Saint Francis, and Mr. Zimmerman respects love to animals. Amen.